Hello, language explorers! Guess what's special about the third Sunday in June? Let's find out! Stay to the end to learn some vocabulary and expressions related to this cultural event. In the United States, this special day is none other than Father's Day. A day dedicated to celebrating, you got it, dads. The seeds of this day were sown back in 1910 in Spokane, Washington. A day that revolves around dads. Some serve breakfast in bed, and others escape for a tranquil fishing trip or revel in a backyard game of catch. The best part? The gifts. Handmade cards, neckties, and even tools. It's all about saying, "Hey Dad, you're the best." Father's Day. It's more than just a day. It's a celebration of love and gratitude. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Appreciation is the act of recognizing and enjoying the good qualities of someone or something. On Father's Day, we show our appreciation. On Father's Day, we show our appreciation. Gratitude represents the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for, and to return kindness. A hug is a gesture of gratitude. A hug is a gesture of gratitude. Testament is the thing that serves as a sign or evidence of a specified fact or event. His patience is a testament to his love. His patience is a testament to his love. Neckties are long pieces of cloth worn for decorative purposes around the neck or shoulders, resting under the shirt collar and knotted at the throat. This necktie reminds me of Dad's sense of style. This necktie reminds me of Dad's sense of style. Tools are devices, especially one held in the hand, that are used to carry out a particular function. Dad keeps his tools in the garage. Dad keeps his tools in the garage. Cards are a piece of thick, stiff paper or thin pasteboard, in particular one used for writing or printing on, often given on special occasions. The card read, "Best Dad in the World." The card read, "Best Dad in the World." The apple doesn't fall far from the tree means that a child usually has a similar character or similar qualities to their parents. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. She's also a talented musician. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. She's also a talented musician. The phrase "a chip off the old block" refers to someone who resembles their parent in behavior, character, or appearance. Just like his dad, he's a chip off the old block. Just like his dad, he's a chip off the old block. Take a walk down memory lane refers to reminiscing about happy memories, which can often happen on Father's Day. Flipping through old photos, we take a walk down memory lane. Flipping through old photos, we take a walk down memory lane. My old man is a colloquial and affectionate term for one's father. My old man has the best advice. My old man has the best advice. A father figure is a person who is seen as a fatherly influence, providing guidance and support. He was more than a coach. He was a father figure. He was more than a coach. He was a father figure. The expression "stepping up to the plate" means to take on a responsibility, much like dads often do. It originates from baseball, adding an American cultural touch. Stepping up to the plate, he took over the barbecue. Stepping up to the plate, he took over the barbecue. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there! And to you, our language explorer, stay tuned for other fascinating cultural content from the English-speaking world. Don't stop now! Watch other videos from the Culture playlist or try one of our other playlists at your English level to keep improving your skills.